Inside the courtroom.
Are you going forward today without benefit of the court-appointed attorney? All right, let me see what we got for paperwork here. All right, so the prosecutor says that you're going to plead responsible to an added charge of fail to report an accident on July 26, 23 in Romulus. If I accept that plea, he wants me to dismiss the misdemeanor charge of fail to stop or identify after an accident. Is that your understanding and agreement on that one? Oh, I should ask this first. Do you understand your rights and the options those rights give you today? Okay. And there's a misdemeanor charge of interfering with a police officer. You understand your rights as they apply to that case? You understand the possible penalty for that case? Understanding that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today to the charge? Yes? Tell me what happened in Romulus on January 30th of this year, 2025. Did you you came in contact with the police? Did you give them bad information about your name? Did you refuse to do something they told you to do? How did you interfere with the police officer?
She kind of told me that I wasn't allowed in, so I was like,
okay.
she told me to come back here. She charged me another guy that came.
Okay.
Got there. She kind of like was mad that he see me.
Right. Right. Okay. Okay, but you're the one that's standing there trying to plead guilty to a charge, and I cannot accept a guilty plea without hearing facts that support the plea. So what was the interference, though? I mean, did you try to keep them from handcuffing you, or what? Okay. All right. Okay, you were fighting back because you thought you were being unfairly accused. Okay. All right. Well, I get it, but you don't argue with the cops and fight with the cops. You wait until you end up here and you fight the case then. You understand what I'm saying? It's much safer because you know what? You know what you had in common with every one of those cops? Every one of you, when you woke up that morning, planned on coming home safe and sound. Right? Okay. All right. I'll accept your plea. Are you working? Where do you work? Where at? How long you been with the barbershop?
I left the barbershop and I was at
Oh, okay. All right. Got anything on your record? Any criminal history at all? All right. All right. So I've accepted your plea. The prosecutor said he would be all right with a delayed sentence so we can keep this conviction off your permanent record. Thank you, Mr. Prosecutor. All right. Anything else you want me to know, Mr. Hobson, before I sentence you on the misdemeanor? So let me make sure I got the paperwork right. So on the fail to report civil infraction, it's $180. On the pardon?
Fail to report as a misdemeanor just doesn't get abstracted.
Oh, it is? Okay. All right, so that's $180. On the misdemeanor interfering with a police officer that's been pled down to, or pled straight up, that's a 6-month delayed sentence, which means you don't get any more trouble. No new criminal offenses in 6 months. I'm ordering $400 court costs on that one in 3 days on the court work program. You already owe us money on some other stuff. We've got, looks like a fail to yield from 2023 and no proof of insurance. So I'm going to send you downstairs to talk about all the money you owe and what your options are to close that out. While you're down there, you can pick the 3 days on the work program. The work program is assessed as an alternative to jail. All you got to do to avoid jail is show up the days you're scheduled and do the work program. Do you have any questions? All right, go on downstairs. You're welcome.
Inside the courtroom.